Hey, this is Mitch Brahma at Kennedy Space Center. I did a video a while back of these white vehicles that we received. They were leftover military surplus. I think this is what's become of one of them. This looks like they might have painted it and armored it up a little more for like fire rescue or SWAT. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but this is a beast. It's got ROSHEL on the back, ROSHEL. It looks nice though. They've did a really good job. They've been using it, looks like. But this bad boy looks like it'd do some damage. Anyhow, I thought I'd just do a little video of it. This is, I'm pretty sure this is one of those vehicles that we received, military surplus. And it definitely looks like it would do some damage in the field. It can be used for emergency situations. But anyway, I thought I'd give you guys a view of it. Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell at Kennedy Space Center, Florida. God bless you all and goodbye.